Hi everyone. Welcome to Cocosenor, and today, I will teach you how to use Cocosenor File Repair Tuner to repair corrupted photos. Open the software and you can see the 4 repair options. Click the Photo Repair option and then click the Add Picture button. Select the corrupted photos to import. After that, hit the Repair button to begin the process. OK, the repair result comes. For the successfully repaired photos, you can hit the Preview button to have a check. For the photos failed to repair in normal mode, you can hit the Advanced Repair button and upload a sample photo. OK, all the photos are repaired now. Finally, hit the Save button to save all repaired photos. That's all. Thanks for watching.